All right, so this tutorial is going to be on the Collect a Video Testimonial tool. Let's get right into it. So this tool is fantastic for directly sending one-to-one requests for video testimonials. And the best way to get a video testimonial back is simply by picking up the phone or emailing or getting permission and asking this person you want to get a video testimonial from before utilizing this tool, because this tool is fantastic. If you send a request for a video testimonial using the Collect a Video Testimonial tool, and you call them up and you ask them and you tell them that it's coming and that they're going to get an email asking for that video testimonial, our return rate of getting a video testimonial back within 2 weeks is between 40 and 60%. So ideally, what you want to do is ask 10 people and send all 10 of those people a request for a video testimonial. And then in about 2 to 4 weeks, you'll have at least 4 video testimonials back ready to go. So first thing you want to do is pop in happy customers' email address, then their first name, and then their last name. And then we're going to scroll on down, right? So now you have the topic section. So here you can input a short little note on what you would like them to talk about in that video testimonial that they're going to create. And it's not that you're trying to script this video testimonial. It's about just giving them some basic direction on what to talk about. That way people don't freeze up or forget what they want to say. And by the way, if you can't think of anything that you would like them to talk about, we have you covered. There's a little drop dummy to pick for some preloaded choices on what you can put in this little box, right? So, like this example right here. Tell us a quick story about how we made Tell us a quick story about how we made an impact on your business, and they will read this little note right before they go to record their video testimonial. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna select the music you want for your video, because what you're gonna do is you're gonna pre-pick the music and call to action for your video. So if you have a custom video opener as well, you'll see a little tick box come up to use your custom video opener. And by the way, for the music, you can play the music back to make sure you like it, right? We have over 52 choices of music to pick from, all different feels and tones, but they're all inspirational in style. So go through, play the music, and make sure you like it, right? Next thing is building that call to action. And down here, you can see by default what your call to action card is going to look like. Because how this platform produces a video without you having to do any editing is that it takes your logo and stylizes it with a little bit of zoom animation to open up the video. It'll fade it out, bring up that video testimonial with the music that we just selected to play underneath it. Once the video testimonial is done, it'll fade out and bring up your call to action, which by default is very simple, very clean. It's just white background with black text. So you can come to our drop-down menu to pick some preloaded popular call to action choices like join today or call today, right? Or learn more. And you can also write your own. As long as you keep it to 16 characters or less, you can put whatever you want, right? Right in here. Or again, you can just pop in, learn more here, right? You can change the font style to better match your company's branding, right? And then obviously make sure this all fits within this little box right here. You don't want this going off, because if it goes off, it won't be included in that video. Or if you don't like this white background with the black text, right? It's super easy to upload your own custom full graphic here, right? So go ahead and put your own custom graphic here, and you'll be good to go to put whatever you want in this spot right here, full color graphic. So then once you're done, you'll click send now, and then they're off to the races. They'll get an email, they'll click to record their video testimonial, and then once they've recorded a video, that video will be waiting for you in either your video testimonial area underneath your My Testimonials, or in your My Videos area for you to check out and accept and produce that video, or accept that video easy breezy. Hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. The next video you're going to want to watch is on how to create a branded video. I'll see you over there.